Chapter 4. It gets better! Let me tell you about something called the 8 wastes. Waste isn't just trash. It's anything that slows us down or makes things harder than they need to be. I discovered these 8 types of waste that pop up all the time, even when we don't notice. Here they are. 1. Overproduction, making too much of something. 2. Waiting, standing around with nothing to do. 3. Transportation, moving things when they don't need to be moved. 4. Extra processing, doing more work than necessary. 5. Inventory, having too much stuff piled up. 6. Motion, moving your body around too much to get things done. 7. Defects, making mistakes or errors. 8. Unused talent, not using people's skills in the best way. Once I learned about these wastes, I started looking around my company, and wow, I found them everywhere. I realized that if I could get rid of even a little bit of these wastes, things would go faster, be easier, and everyone would enjoy work more. Try it out. Become a waste detective. Look around and see if you can find any of these wastes in your own life. Maybe you have a big pile of toys in one place or have to walk across the room every time you need a pencil. When you spot a waste, think of a simple way to fix it. With Lean, even small changes make a big difference. Once you start, you'll be amazed at how much easier and faster things can get. The one thing. Finding waste is like a fun treasure hunt. Think of spotting waste as a big game. It's like a scavenger hunt where you search for things that don't help you and just get in the way. The more waste you find, the easier and more fun life can be. Look around your room or classroom and see if you can find anything that slows you down or gets in the way, like clutter or extra steps. Every time you find some waste, it's like finding a hidden treasure. The Lean Takeaway. In Chapter 4, we learned that waste is anything slowing you down. We learned to look for clutter, waiting, or extra steps. When we fix one small thing, it leads to faster results. Chapter 1 taught us the Lean basics. Chapter 2 taught us about spotting waste. Chapter 3 taught us to focus on one task. Chapter 4 helped us in understanding waste. Now let's go to Chapter 5.